Prime Minister Narendra Modi has directed the Minister of State of the Ministry of External Affairs, Kirti Vardhan Singh, to travel to Kuwait to overall assistance, to foresee the overall assistance to those injured in the fire tragedy and to coordinate with the local authorities for early repatriation of the mortal remains of those who died in this unfortunate incident. Ayush on the telecast with me. Ayush, the Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs has now been sent to Kuwait. Of course, the families of the deceased are in a painful situation. The bodies will have to be brought back to India, and that's the task that has been assigned to the MOS MEA Kirti Vardhan Singh.
Well, yes, this is the major development which is coming right now, that the Minister of State for External Affairs, Kirti Vardhan Singh, is all set to travel to Kuwait to personally oversee the assistance being provided to those injured in the recent tragic fire incident. Also, this disaster has not only resulted in significant loss of life with around 40 Indian nationals confirmed dead, but has also left many others injured and in need of urgent care and support. MOS Kirti Vardhan Singh's visit underscores the Indian government's commitment to its citizens abroad, especially in times of crisis. And her primarily objectives during this visit include ensure that the injured receive the best possible medical treatment and coordinating with the Kuwait authorities to expedite the repatriation of the mortal remains of those who have tragically lost their lives. And in addition to overseeing medical assistance, MOS Kirti Vardhan Singh will be meeting with the local officials to streamline the process of identifying the deceased and facilitating their return to India. This involves complex logistics, including ensuring that all necessary documentation is processed swiftly.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.